Very good morning, students. Today we are going to have a case discussion on ODI Grips. It's a grip manufacturing company. They are creating this product for engaging the bikers. There are two groups of bikers, you know that. One is like regular riders, professional riders, we call them as races. The other bikers are called recreational riders. Those people are like adventurers. So here in front of me, the four people are taking the role play of the characters. One is like recreational rider, another one is like racer, and another one is the company CEO of this ODI Grips, and one more person who is creating content for the digital marketing and also for the social media. So here the problem is during the pandemic time, COVID time, people were completely inactive. They are unable to create any events, especially for the biking event. In such cases, to promote this product of grips, the bike grips, they started a social media campaign. Through the social media campaign, they want to promote the product, also to engage the two groups of bikers. In such cases, how we can create the digital branding for this product grips, find some strategy for creating the social media campaign. So that is the objective of this case. This case study has been downloaded from the Harvard website. So let's start with the empathy phase. Since it is a design thinking applied case study, we have to understand the personality and mindset of the two groups of riders. So here the two groups of riders are there in the jury. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm racing rider. I'm using a grip for long days. I feel it's good quality and build quality is very best. And the product was unbelievable. And I feel the disadvantage is the grip was very thin, so I cannot handle the bike. So it was the biggest disadvantage of grip. So these are the advantage and disadvantage of my exercise. Thank you.
Good. Next person, another rider is sitting with us. Please introduce yourself.
I'm going to talk about adventure riders problem. The quality of the product is very nice, but the product's design metrics and the presentation metrics has to be improved, and other features should be added. The thinness of the grips is also definitely a problem. It has to be addressed also.
Good. We got a clear empathy on the two groups of riders. We were able to understand how much quality they are expecting in terms of the product grip. Okay. With this mindset, we need to find the product manufacturer. Here the CEO is with us. Please, CEO, please explain your company and the products what you are doing. Manufacturer.
I'm the CEO of ODI Grips. So we made an hand grippers. So for especially for the bikers, racing and the adventure riders. So here they told some pros and cons about the hand grippers. So in future we will make some extra efforts to make some hand grippers to use it for racing and adventure riders.
Good. The CEO, he has explained how he can help in ideation stage, how he can support this kind of product, and how he can support for the events, especially how you are funding for this kind of event, and how to improvise the product quality as well. And the very important character in this role play of discussion is the Colesby. He is the vice president who is taking care of the digital marketing, also the content creation for this entire event campaign. Also, he is promoting the product very rigorously. The ODI Grips, okay, and his inputs are highly expected in this thing, and we move on to that phase prototype. So please, Vice President, you can explain about the product.
Hi, I am Vice President of ODI Grips, and I am controlling the digital marketing events. We going to build two types of content because we have two different customers. One is a racing rider who is a professional, and another one is an adventure rider who is riding for fun. Our main customer is adventure rider who is drive for fun because our count is very high, so we target maximum for adventure rider. Our content plan was 70-30, 70 for adventure rider and 30 for professional rider. We get a review from our riders, and we should develop more content belongs to the adventure rider who drives for fun. This this is our basic strategy for grip training.
Good. Finally, this is the product. That product, what the students team have been explaining that. The product of ODI Grips, and it is explaining the grip colors, the variations, where you can see the 3 different colors and how the grip is being made, okay, out of it. And also there is a comparison about this, the 2 different products, the 2 different riders' perspectives also it is explained in the table. Well, conclusion now, who is going to give the conclusion? Maybe you can give the vice president, you can give the conclusion how this kind of events can be promoted. Will it be helpful for these products get attention by the public and by the riders?
Definitely. The pandemic situation, after the pandemic, everyone wants to relieve from stress. So they can ride along for relief their stress. So the adventure rider needs comfort and safety in their ride. So we will improve our comfort in the grip and we can sell more to the riders. Thank you.
Good. Thank you for joining this group discussion. Students, let us meet up in the another group discussion. Thank you very much.